Look closely at any artwork. What do you see? Beyond the brushstrokes and colors, a hidden world awaits. Every image, from ancient cave paintings to modern installations, whispers a story. This story is told not through words, but through symbols. Art has always been about communication. Before written language, our ancestors used symbols to record their history, beliefs, and dreams. These symbols, etched onto cave walls or carved into totems, were more than just decoration. They were powerful tools, conveying complex ideas and emotions. Think of symbols as the DNA of human communication. Just like DNA carries genetic information, symbols carry cultural and emotional meaning. A circle might represent eternity, a lion, strength and courage, a dove, peace. These meanings, passed down through generations, form the foundation of our shared human experience. In art, symbols are the artist's vocabulary. By understanding these symbols, we can decode the artwork's message. A crown on a figure's head tells us about their status and power. A skull reminds us of mortality and the passage of time. Even the colors an artist chooses can hold symbolic weight, influencing our emotional response to the piece. Today, artificial intelligence is changing the way we understand art's hidden language. AI algorithms can analyze vast databases of images, identifying recurring patterns and symbols across different cultures and time periods. This technology is helping us uncover previously hidden connections between artworks, revealing the evolution of symbols and their changing meanings. Imagine an AI program that can decipher the complex symbolism of ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics or unlock the hidden meanings in medieval tapestries. This is the exciting potential of AI in the art world. By helping us decode the past, AI can also illuminate our present and shape the future of artistic expression. Symbols are more than just decorative elements in art. They are the key to unlocking the artist's intentions, emotions, and cultural context. They connect us to the past, present, and future, reminding us of our shared humanity and the enduring power of visual storytelling. The next time you encounter a work of art, take a moment to look beyond the surface. Ask yourself, what symbols are present? What emotions do they evoke? What story is the artist trying to tell? By learning to read the language of symbols, you can unlock a world of meaning and experience the true power of art.